True to Samsung's philosophy, we are pushing the boundaries of innovation with the new Galaxy M55s 5G. With several segment-leading features like the Super AMOLED 20Hz display, stunning 50-megapixel OIS, no-shake camera with big pixel technology, powerful Snapdragon processor, a stylish Fusion design combined with an unmatched promise of 4 generations of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates and Knox security, Galaxy M55's 5G is set to revolutionize the segment. It demonstrates Samsung's prowess in delivering top-tier technology at an affordable price. Galaxy M55's 5G features a 50-megapixel OIS no-shake camera to shoot high-resolution and shake-free videos and photos, eliminating blurred images. Galaxy M55's 5G comes with the much-loved camera feature Nightography, allowing users to capture stunning low-light shots and videos, thanks to its 2.0mm big pixel technology. Galaxy M55's 5G also sports a 50-megapixel high-resolution front camera for detailed, sharper selfies. Galaxy M55's 5G's camera also comes with features such as image clipper, object eraser, and dual recording, which lets aspiring bloggers record a video using the rear and front camera simultaneously. Featuring a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with refresh rate of 120Hz, Galaxy M55's 5G offers consumers stunning visuals and an elevated viewing experience. With its Vision Booster technology, Galaxy M55's 5G will be the perfect device for an unparalleled viewing and smooth scrolling experience, even in the outdoor conditions with bright sunlight. Designed to mesmerize, Galaxy M55's 5G sports a stylish new Fusion design and is super sleek and lightweight, measuring only 7.8mm in width and only 180 grams weight, which makes it very ergonomic to use. Galaxy M55's 5G will come in 2 refreshing colors. Core-powered by 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, Galaxy M55's 5G allows users to seamlessly multitask. With the ultimate speed and connectivity of 5G, users can stay fully connected wherever they go, experiencing faster downloads, smoother streaming, and uninterrupted browsing.
The processor delivers a swift mobile gaming experience with high-speed connectivity along with high-quality audio and visuals. Galaxy M55s 5G packs in 5000 mAh battery that enables long sessions of browsing, gaming, and binge-watching. Galaxy M55's 5G allows users to stay connected, entertained, and productive without interruption. The device supports 45-watt super-fast charging, giving more power in less time. Galaxy M55's 5G is set to redefine consumer experience with innovations such as voice focus that cuts the ambient noise for an amazing calling experience and quick share feature, which enables users to instantly share files, photos, and documents with any other device, even if they are far away, including your laptop and tab. The device will also come with best-in-class, defense-grade Knox security, ensuring users' privacy and security. Galaxy M55's 5G will also feature one of Samsung's most innovative security features, Samsung Knox Vault, which is designed to safeguard users' sensitive data, such as PINs, passwords, and patterns, in a separate tamper-resistant storage for protection against software and hardware threats. Additionally, with Galaxy M55's 5G, Samsung is reaffirming its commitment to customer satisfaction by providing 4 generations of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates, ensuring users can enjoy the latest features and enhanced security for years to come. The Galaxy M55's 5G comes in 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB storage variants. Galaxy M55's 5G will be available on Amazon, Samsung.com, and at select retail stores and will go on sale starting September 26, 2024.